Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to download and install iOS 13 on your iPhone or any iOS device.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
First, make sure your device is capable of running iOS 13. The easiest way to download and install iOS 13 on your iPhone or any iOS device is to download over the Wi-Fi. To install the iOS 13, you will need to visit Software Update on your iPhone. Launch Settings from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on General. In the General settings, find the option Software Update. Tap on this. Your device will check for updates and a notification about iOS 13 should appear. If you want to know about the latest features of iOS 13, tap on Learn More. From here, you will know the update about iOS 13. Now go back. Tap on Download and Install. Enter your passcode. These are the terms and conditions. Tap on Agree from the lower right corner. Updating your device can take a little while, and you won't be able to use your device while the update is running. You can see the time remaining to download the iOS 13. It will depend on your internet speed. Now the update is preparing to be installed. A message will pop up. Your iOS 13 is ready to install. Tap on Install Now. Your iPhone will reboot to install iOS 13. There will be a couple of progress bars going across the screen. Now enter your passcode. Your phone was updated successfully. Now tap on Continue. Enter your Apple ID password. If you want to enter it later, then tap on Skip the step. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Skip. Select a light or dark appearance. After selection, tap on Continue. And finally, tap on Get Started. So that is how you can download and install iOS 13 on your iPhone or any iOS device. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.